Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Very good. We're going to do some listening today. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's start.
Part 1. Listen and look. There is one example.
Do you like this picture of our camping holiday?
Yes. But who's that man over there with his feet in the water? He must be cold.
What? The man who's fishing? That's my Uncle Bill.
And did he catch anything?
Oh, no.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
And who are those two people over there?
Oh, they're the farmers. They said we could camp in their field. The one next to the horse is called Sam.
What? The one pointing at those black clouds?
Yes, that's him.
It's called Sam. Sam. Good. Okay. Number 2.
And is that your friend Jill? The girl who's reading a book?
No, she's the one reading a map.
Has she got glasses?
Yes, that's her.
Jill is reading a map. Very good.
So, where's your brother then?
Well, my older brother, Paul, is the one who's cooking.
The one holding a fork?
No, the one wearing a scarf.
Oh, right.
Paul is cooking. He's wearing a scarf.
And my younger brother, David, is in the blue tent.
But there are 2 boys in that tent.
Oh, yes. Well, one of them's his best friend. But he's the one next to the rucksack, do you see?
Oh, yes.
David is the boy in the tent next to the rucksack. David. David. Okay, good. Oh, sorry, 1 minute.
Can you see that girl over there with the purple sweater?
You mean the one with the blanket?
Yes. Well, she's my cousin Jane. I don't like her very much.
Oh, why not?
Oh, she always shouts at me.
Ah.
Okay, very good, Mintu. Let's carry on. Okay. We go to part 2. Come on. Okay.
2. Listen and look. There is one example.
04-22314, Springfield Surgery. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see the doctor, please.
Have you seen a doctor here before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Well, first, can I just ask you where you live, please?
Oh, yes, of course. 25 Hillman Road, Friendly.
Ah, that's fine.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
Okay, full name.
And what's your name, please?
It's Russell Taylor.
Can you spell the first name for me, please?
It's RUSSELL.
Thank you. And how old are you, dear?
Oh,
Oh,
well,
sorry. Are you? RUSSELL. Are you like this? Let me. Okay, RUSSELL. Okay, how old are you?
I'm nearly 18. It's my birthday next month, and
So 17 then.
yes.
Good. Okay, so what is his problem? He's got something and a something.
That's right.
Okay. And why do you want to see the doctor today?
Well, I do feel very ill. I've got terrible stomachache, you see. It's really bad, and I've got a cough too.
Stomach ache and a cough. Okay, that's difficult. Must I help you to spell it? Stomach ache. Okay, and a cough. Okay. Which day, which afternoon will he see the doctor?
So I thought,
Oh dear. Well, you can see the doctor on Wednesday afternoon. Is that any good?
well, it's Monday morning now, and I'm not well at all.
I'm sorry. There's nothing else I can do, I'm afraid.
Okay then.
Now,
Which afternoon, which day? Wednesday, Wednesday. Okay, good. And now what time will he see the doctor?
what time would you like to come? Is 2:30 all right?
Oh, I'd like to come a bit later if I can. Can I come after 3:30, please? Because I'm at college, you see, and I don't want to miss my lessons.
Oh, you're still going to your lessons then? No, I'm sorry. I can't help you, I'm afraid. I just haven't got any spaces at all then. Sorry.
Dear. Oh, well, okay then.
So you're coming to see us then?
Yes, I think I'll have to.
At 2:30. Okay. Just this one. Okay, perfect. Well done, Mintu. Let's carry on. Let's go to part 3. What are William's friends doing in the school holidays? Okay, I want to make it. Okay, it's gonna have to be, this is mountains and this is golf.
Part 3. Listen and look. There is one example. What are William's friends doing in the school holidays?
Dad, it's so boring at home. Can we go away somewhere? Please, Dad.
I'm sorry, William. I have to work this week. Can't you play with your friends?
But they're all doing things, Dad.
Well, what about Robert? He isn't going anywhere, is he? And he only lives next door.
No, but his dad's on holiday this week, so he's teaching him how to play golf. And he's getting good at it now, so he won't want me to go with him.
Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
Oh, that's nice. Well, how about his sister Betty then? What's she doing?
Oh, I don't want to see her. She's spending all her time in old castles, doing homework for her history teacher. How boring is that?
Ah,
Betty is spending time in old castles. Yay. Okay.
well, she is a bit older than you. She has to work hard. Well then, what about your best friend? David, isn't it?
Oh, well, he just loves sport, and he's going to that holiday club I told you about. They're teaching children ages 10 to 15 to play volleyball this week. He says it's really great fun, and he's made lots of new friends.
Well, that sounds good then.
Yes, but Dad,
David is going to play volleyball.
when I asked you if I could go, you said it was too expensive.
Oh, that's right.
Yay.
Well, now then, there's always your cousin Helen.
I can't play with her, Dad. She doesn't like me at all. And she's busy with the family this week. She told me they all wanted to go skiing, but then Uncle Paul broke his arm at work. Didn't Mum tell you? So they're going to the sea now. It still sounds good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Helen is going to the sea. Okay, good.
What about some of your old school friends then? There's that really nice girl, Sarah. You always liked playing with her.
Yes. I haven't seen her for ages. But when I rang, her mum told me she wanted to go climbing in the mountains with some school friends. But she can't because she's got exams after the holidays. So she's got to study this week. So she'll be in the library every day, and I'm not going there.
Well, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do some studying, you know.
No, Dad, it's the holiday.
Okay, then.
No, remember, she's going to study in the library. She couldn't go. Very good. Okay, last one. Where is Richard?
Where was that other old friend of yours? What was his name? Ah, yes, Richard. Perhaps he's free this week.
Well, I don't think so. He just loves swimming, so he'll be at his club all week. They do races and games in the water and things like that, so I can't play with...
Well, do you want to do that? That sounds like fun, and it's not too expensive, is it?
No. It's very cheap, I think. Shall I phone him then?
Yes. Why don't you do that?
Thanks, Dad.
Yay, very good, Mintu. Okay, let's go on. A, B, or C?
Part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. Who is Michael's art teacher? So, are you going to art club after school today, Michael?
Yes, Mum. It's really good. And the teacher's great.
Do I know him?
Mr. White? He's a new teacher. He's quite young.
Oh, you mean that one with long hair and glasses?
Yes, that's right. And a beard.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where's the art room at school?
Okay then, I'll come and get you when it finishes. Where's the art room then? Is it next to the school hall?
No, that's the computer room. You'll have to go straight past the hall and you'll see it there. It's next to the library.
Okay then, I'll meet you there.
Yay, very good. Okay.
What time does the club finish?
So, what time shall I come?
Oh, I'm not sure. School finishes at 3:30 and art club starts at 4 o'clock. And the club's for 1 hour, I think. So you could come at 5. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Yay.
3. What's Michael going to make at art club?
So, what do you do there? Do you paint things?
No, it's much more exciting than that. At the moment, we're making toys. My friend's making a fire engine. It's really great.
Sounds good.
I thought I'd make a train, but then I decided a helicopter would be more exciting. So I'm going to make that.
Great idea.
Yay, very good. Okay.
4. What's Michael going to use to make his toy?
So, how are you going to make this toy then?
Well, last week the teacher brought lots of different things to show us, made of card, to give us some ideas. And then we drew our ideas on paper.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and today we're going to make the toys with wood and glue.
That sounds difficult.
Yay, very good, Mintu.
5. Who is Michael making the toy for?
So, are you going to give it to me when you finished it? You know, as a present.
You, Mum, you're too old for toys. I thought I'd give it to Tom, but he says he doesn't want anything I've made.
That's not very nice of your brother. I'll have to speak to him.
Oh, it doesn't matter. So, then I decided I'd make it for Sue. It's her birthday next week, isn't it?
That's a great idea. I'm sure your sister'll love it.
Yay, very good. Okay, now we're going to draw and color.
Part 5. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Oh, that's a nice picture. The girl's dreaming about her birthday.
Yes. So would you like to colour it?
Yes, please.
Okay then. Can you colour the bowl on the table?
But there are 4 bowls.
Oh yes. Well, the one that's next to the bottle then. Colour it pink.
Can you see the pink bowl? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write and draw. 1.
She's got lots of presents, hasn't she?
Yes, she has. You see the one on top of the fridge?
Yes, it's a nice big one.
Well, can you colour it orange?
Okay.
2.
Good.
The present on top of the fridge. Color it orange. Good. Okay. 2.
Now can you see the writing on the wall?
Yes, I can.
What word do you think is missing?
Is it happy?
Yes. Well done. Can you write the missing word in that space?
Okay. There we are.
Happy birthday. Good. Okay, number 3.
Oh, look at all the butterflies on the girl's bed.
Yes. They're nice, aren't they? Would you like to colour the one in the top corner?
Which top corner?
Oh, the one on the right then.
Okay. Shall I colour it blue?
Yes, do that.
Okay, this is the right, in the top on the right. The butterfly in the top right. Color it blue. In the top right. Okay.
4.
Oh, it's stars in the window. They're nice.
Okay. Colour one of the stars then.
Which one?
The biggest one.
Okay. And what colour?
Orange, please.
5.
Color the biggest star orange. Here, biggest star. Okay, good.
Right. Now I'd like you to draw something.
Oh no, I can't draw.
But this is easy. Draw a hat on the girl with curly hair. Can you do that?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, well done.
A hat on the girl with curly hair. This girl. Let me draw a hat. Like this hat on this girl. Like this, Min too. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's go and do some speaking. Okay, Mintu, can you tell me in the first picture and the second picture?
In the first pictures, the girl is not wearing glasses, but in the second pictures, the woman is wearing glasses.
Yeah, good. What is the waiter holding?
In the first pictures, the waiter is holding a spaghetti, but in the second pictures, the waiter is holding a pizza.
Okay, pizzas. And spaghetti and salad, pizza and French fries.
In the first pictures, the time of the club is 3 o'clock. But in the second pictures, the time is 9 o'clock.
Very good.
In the first pictures, there are 7 flowers. But in the second pictures, there are 4 flowers.
Flowers.
Flower. In the first picture, the girl is there is a glasses of milk on the table,
Okay, on the baby's table.
on the baby table. But in the second picture, there is a bottle of milk on the baby table.
Good.
In the first picture, the woman, there is a red handbag on the chair. But in the second picture, there is a green handbag on the chair.
Very good.
In the first picture, there is a man is cook. There are two
Men. 2 men.
men. But in the second picture, there are 3 men
Cooking.
cooking.
Okay.
In the first picture, the man is wearing the glasses. But in the second picture, the man is not wearing glasses.
Very good. Okay, what about the plates?
In the first picture, there is a square plate. But in the second picture, it's a circle plate. In the first picture, there is not a umbrella on the chair. But in the second picture, there is an umbrella on the chair. In the first picture, the baby girl is holding a spoon. But in the second picture, the baby girl is holding a
Fork.
fork. In the first picture, there is a
The salt and pepper is on the
Salt.
left of the flowers.
on the left.
Sorry.
of the
First picture, the salt and pepper is on the right of the flowers. Second picture, the salt and pepper is on the left of the flowers.
left of flower.
Okay, I think everything, we've said it. Let's go and ask some questions. Okay, we have Emma's DVD and William's DVD. Okay, I'm going to ask you first. What is the name of Emma's DVD?
The name of Emma's DVD is Fake Story.
Okay, and who gave Emma her DVD?
Her aunt is gave Emma's DVD.
Okay, what is Emma's DVD about?
Emma's DVD about 2 astronauts.
Okay. When did Emma watch her DVD? Emma watched her DVD.
Emma's watched her DVD yesterday.
Good. Is Emma's DVD exciting or boring?
Emma's DVD is boring.
Okay. Now you're going to ask me about William's DVD. What is the name? You must ask me questions, Mintu.
What's the name of William's DVD?
William's DVD is called Island Adventure.
Who gave William's DVD?
William's uncle gave him his DVD.
What's William's DVD about?
William's DVD is about 3 pirates.
When William watched his DVD?
When did William watch his DVD? Okay, William watched his DVD last week.
Is William's DVD exciting or boring?
William's DVD is exciting. Okay. Now we're going to do the story. Okay, first you're going to tell me the story. I want to hear how you talk about it. Do you know the story? Hey, did you finish the story, Mintu? No, okay, I'll write with you. Okay, picture 1, what do we see? A young boy is playing on the drums. His older brother is trying to watch TV. Okay. He is holding his ears. Then, picture 2. The older brother gets angry because of all the noise. He picks up the drum to throw it. The young boy is worried. Okay, the drum breaks and the young boy starts crying. He is sad because his brother broke his drum. Okay, then the older brother feels bad and he gets him a new guitar. The young boy is very happy. Finally, he starts playing the guitar loudly. The older brother gets angry again. Okay. Can read it for me, Mintu?
The young boy is playing on the drums. His older brother is trying to watch TV. He is holding his ear. The older brother gets angry because of the noise. He picks up the drum to throw it. The young boy is worried. The drum breaks and the young boy starts crying. He is sad because his brother broke his drum. The older brother felt bad and he get him a new guitar. The young boy is very happy. Finally, he starts playing guitar loudly. The older brother gets angry again.
Okay, loudly.
Loudly.
Okay, good. Let's move on. We only have a few minutes left. Let's do some reading. Okay. Okay, you can read for me, Mintu.
Hotel. Artist.
Let me make it the same color. Okay.
A museum. Salt. Sugar. A comic. A post office. A torch. Flower. Swing. Tent. A chemist. Actors.
Astronauts.
Astronauts. Actors. A drum.
Okay, number 1. Oops. Can you read it for me, Mintu? Number 1.
This can be brown or white, and you use it when you making bread or pasta. Sugar.
Flower.
Flower.
Number 2.
Children like to play on it in the park or in the garden.
Play on it.
A swing.
Good. Number 3. These. Mintu, number 3.
These are people who work in the theater or on TV. On actors.
Actors.
Children love playing with this. They hit it and it makes a lot of noise. A drum.
Good.
You use this to get clear when you
Clean.
have a bad clean, when you have a bad or a sour, a soft.
Yay. Number 6.
Chocolates and sweets are made with this. It tastes
Tastes.
good, but it tastes good, but it can give you toothache. Or sugar.
Yes. Number 7.
People live in this when they go camping by the sea or in the countryside. A tent.
Good.
When you feel
When you
ill,
feel
you can
ill,
go. You can feel ill. You can go here to buy some medicine. A chemist.
good.
Just people need to be very good at drawing and painting pictures. Artists.
Yay. Wait, what number are we on? 9. Okay, number 10.
You can use this when you go outside at night and you want to see. Museum. A torch.
Okay, good. Let's do yes and no, then we finish for today. Okay, after this one, we finished. Okay, number 1.
Just a sunflower in an upstairs window. No. Yes. The guitar is behind the rucksack. No. A man is sitting in the garden and reading a book. Yes. The boy who's wearing shorts and a white t-shirt has fallen into a suitcase. Yes. The scarf
on the balcony.
The scarf.
Yeah, number 5.
On the balcony of the house on the left, just a boy who waving. Yes.
Okay, on the left. On the left
No.
is no.
No.
The scarf.
The scarf next to the boy carrying
Carrying.
a suitcase. Carrying a suitcase has got spot on it.
The scarf.
Yeah.
This is spots. This is stripes.
No. The woman who's standing with her hand on the wall is laughing. Yes.
Yay, very good, Mintu. Okay, we are done for today. Are you good?
Yes.
Yes. Is it hot or cold today in your country? Is it hot? Okay. I will see you next time. Good job, Mintu.
Bye.
Goodbye.